how to make Zobo drink, hibiscus drink to really help you lose weight and bring down your blood pressure and sugar level. Stay here and let me take you on a journey on how this is made. There are many ways to make Zobo drink, but today I am teaching you a special way to help you live healthier and live better. So let's go. So the first step for making this powerful Zobo or hibiscus drink is to boil the skin of the pineapple, which is loaded with powerful antioxidants. Make sure it is boiling. The next thing you're going to do is to take your Zobo or hibiscus. Sorry, this is not hot water. I just put cold water in the kettle. I need to wash this Zobo first off because they are dry. So you can make this by your own, like you can dry the hibiscus flower on your own, or you can purchase this the way it is. This is purchased the way it is, and this is why I want to wash it. So after washing that, you have to add it to the boiling pineapple skin. Boiling pineapple skin. Remember, Zobo drink or hibiscus has a whole bunch of benefits, lots of benefits, especially for your skin, aid in skin brightening, and loaded with anti-inflammatory. But today we are focusing on the best way to make this to help you lose weight by cropping the appetite and also cropping the sugar sugar craving. Yes, so this is where the weight loss comes in. So after you put this in the pot, this is a whole bunch of ginger helps, aids in diuretic, and also helps you to go to the bathroom. And I added just 2 sticks of cinnamon inside the pot, and this is crushed cloves. Cloves also help you for weight loss and aids in appetite crops. So cropping of your appetite. So everything is mixed together in this boiling pineapple skin, and as soon as you add all these things together, you are going to cover this and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to turn off the stove. When you turn off the stove of course it's already it's still boiling, so let it cool. After about 4 or 5 hours, when you make sure that it's really in the room temperature level, you are going to squeeze in some lemon. Remember that you're not supposed to really cook your lemon, otherwise all the vitamin C in it will be destroyed. So as you can see, this drink is almost at the room temperature. So add as much lemon to your taste. If you want to add 2 or 3, squeeze that lemon in there. Yes, you are also adding extra vitamin C to the whole thing. And after it has cooled down, sieve this tea. Yes, you can use a strainer, very small, the smallest strainers, I mean, in the terms of the holes in the strainer, or you can use a cheesecloth. So squeeze them really nice, and it is time for you to store this. You can put them in this pitcher, or you can put them in your small bottles and let them cool in the fridge. Zobo drinks are better drink when they are cold. So go ahead. So I let this sit overnight in my fridge and I drank it the next morning.